Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 8, Supplier Contracting, Lesson 2, Negotiation Strategies. Negotiation Strategies. For a beginner, negotiation can feel intimidating, like a high-stakes confrontation seen in movies. In reality, for procurement and supply chain management, negotiation is not about winning or losing. It is a collaborative problem-solving process aimed at reaching a mutually beneficial agreement, a win-win. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the core strategies used to secure the best quality, price, and terms from a supplier while maintaining a healthy working relationship. 1. The two main approaches, distributive versus integrative. Before diving into tactics, it is crucial to understand the philosophy behind the negotiation. Strategy: distributive, positional; integrative, principled; goal: claiming value, win-lose; creating value, win-win; mindset: fixed pie. If I win, you lose. Expanding pie. How can we both benefit? Use case: one-off purchases, commodities, low relationship value; long-term partnerships, complex services, strategic sourcing. Focus: price only, total cost of ownership, TCO, quality, delivery, innovation. Beginner tip. As a beginner, aim for integrative negotiation. It builds trust, which is essential if you will need this supplier for ongoing business. 2. The negotiation lifecycle, the 4 PETA seconds. Successful negotiation doesn't start at the table. It follows a lifecycle, a preparation, the most important step. You should spend 80% of your time here. If you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Know your BATNA. Best alternative to a negotiated agreement. What will you do if you walk away? E.g., I can buy from supplier B at $10 per unit. Your BATNA is your power. Know your WATNA. Worst alternative to a negotiated agreement. Define your target. What is your ideal outcome? Define your walkaway. What is the absolute lowest terms you will accept? The ZOPA, or zone of possible agreement. B. Proposal. Presenting your opening position. Rather than demanding a low price immediately, ask open-ended questions. Help me understand how this pricing is structured. What would need to happen to reach a cost of $X? C. Bargaining. The give and take phase. Never concede without getting something in return. Principle. If you agree to a higher volume, ask for a lower price. Principle. If you agree to longer payment terms, e.g., net 60 days instead of net 30, ask for a discount. D. Close. Summarize the agreement verbally and confirm next steps. Asterisk. So, to confirm, we agree on the price of $50 per unit, delivery by March 1st, and we will draft the contract by Friday. Is that correct? 3. Key tactics for beginners. Here are 5 specific tactics you can use in your first negotiations. Tactic 1. Silence. After you make a proposal or ask a question, stop talking. Beginners often feel uncomfortable with silence and start justifying their position, giving away concessions. Let the supplier speak first. Tactic 2. The flinch. When the supplier quotes a price, react with subtle surprise, a slight wince or pause. This signals that the price is higher than expected without being rude. It often prompts the supplier to justify the price or offer a better one immediately. Tactic 3. Yes, if. Instead of saying no to a supplier's request, use conditional agreement. Supplier. We need a 20% deposit up front. You. Yes, if you agree to a 5% discount on the total order volume. Tactic 4. Split the difference. A classic closing tactic. If you are stuck on price, offer to meet in the middle. We are $500 apart. To get this closed, let's split the difference. I'll add $250 if you reduce by $250. Tactic 5. The nibble. At the very end, when you know the supplier wants to close the deal, ask for a small, low-cost addition. We have a deal on price. Since we are signing today, can you include free shipping or an extended warranty? 4. Negotiating beyond price. A common beginner mistake is focusing only on the unit price. Often, you can find more value in non-price terms. Payment terms. Net 30 versus net 60. Keeping cash in your bank longer. Delivery. Freight costs, expedited shipping, or holding inventory, consignment. Quality. Lower defect rates or longer warranties. Scope of work. Clear definitions of who is responsible for what to avoid, scope creep. 5. Common pitfalls to avoid, anchoring bias. Accepting the first number thrown out. Always counter offer, even if the first number looks good. Lack of authority. Never pretend you have final authority if you don't. It is better to say, I need to get final approval from my manager on this, I'll confirm by tomorrow. This gives you an out to review terms calmly. Emotional attachment. Don't fall in love with a specific supplier. Be willing to walk away if the deal doesn't meet your walkaway point. Summary and key takeaways. For the beginner student, remember these 3 core principles. Prepare your BATNA. Your leverage comes from your ability to walk away. Separate people from the problem. Be tough on the terms, price, delivery, but respectful to the people. You are building a relationship, not an enemy. Value, price. The cheapest price often results in poor quality or late delivery. Focus on the total cost of ownership. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.